Hi, I am Harshini. My favorite color is purple. I am going to draw this Barbie on the sheet. To color, I'll use Black Nightshade berries. Let's get started. Let's draw the Barbie first and then transform it into a bookmark. My Barbie drawing is ready. Next step is to color her gown with berries. Wow, what a vibrant color it is! Black Nightshade berry gives us purple color and pomegranate gives us pink. Next step is to beautify Barbie with color pencils. Take chart paper to make base of the bookmark and cut it. Be careful with scissors. Our cutouts are ready. Let's paste the Barbie cutout on the bookmark. Yay! Our Barbie bookmark is ready. For more, please subscribe to Harshini's Recreations.